Hey everyone, let's be honest, deleting invoices one by one in QuickBooks Online is a real headache. All that endless clicking is a huge waste of time, especially when you're trying to clean up duplicates or errors. In this video, I'm going to show you a much faster way. We'll use a tool called SaasAnt Transactions to select and delete multiple invoices all at once, turning a tedious chore into a simple few-click process. Let's start in QuickBooks. In the Invoices section, you can see I have 6 invoices ready to go. Notice that some of these are duplicates with the same customer and amount. While QuickBooks has its own filters to help you find transactions, it doesn't offer a way to delete them in bulk. To get started, navigate to the Apps section in your QuickBooks left-hand menu. If you haven't already, search for SaasAnt Transactions and click Get App Now to install it. Since I already have the app, I'll go to my Overview tab and click the Launch button. Once you launch the app and select your company, you'll land on the main SaasAnt dashboard. You'll see several powerful tools here, including options for bulk upload, download, PDF to Excel, and even processing receipts. Since our goal today is to clean up our books, we'll select the Delete function and then click Initiate Cleanup. This will bring you to the Deletion Setup screen. Click on Ready to Clean Up. You'll then be presented with 2 primary ways to delete your data: delete by reference and delete by searching. Delete by reference is perfect if you know the specific invoice numbers of the transactions you want to remove. Delete by searching allows you to use advanced filters to find and select invoices, which is ideal for locating duplicates or entries with incorrect dates. For this tutorial, we'll use the Delete by searching option. Click Next to proceed. Now, we need to tell SaasAnt what to look for. First, select Invoice as the transaction type. Next, choose your date type. You can search by Created Date, Transaction Date, or Last Updated Date. We'll stick with Created Date and select our desired date range. To further refine your search, click the Customize button. This opens up a world of filtering options, including total amount, balance range, customer name, and reference number. You can also turn on the Detailed Report option to see full line item details for the selected transactions. Once you've set your filters, click Search. SaasAnt will now display all the invoices that match your search criteria. From this list, you can select the specific invoices you want to delete. In my case, I'll select the duplicate and incorrect entries. Before you delete, SaasAnt provides a crucial option to download your data as a CSV or Excel file. It is highly recommended that you back up your data before proceeding with deletion. Once you're ready, click Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click OK to continue. And just like that, your selected invoices have been deleted. SaasAnt will show you a summary of the deleted data, which will remain available for download for the next 2 days. Now let's head back to our QuickBooks account. If we go to Sales and then Invoices, you'll see that the duplicate invoices are gone. We started with 6 and now we only have 4. With SaasAnt Transactions, you can efficiently clean up your QuickBooks data in a fraction of the time. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you streamline your bookkeeping, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. See you next time.